Great design often hides complexity behind shapes that feel effortlessly arranged. Today, how to explore advanced shape arrangements. Open Adobe Photoshop and start with a new canvas set to 2100 by 2100 pixels using a very light beige background to keep the scene calm. Select the polygon tool and set the sides to 6. Then draw a large hexagon in the center using a soft blue color. Duplicate this shape several times by holding Alt while dragging, scaling each copy slightly smaller and rotating them just a few degrees to create a layered spiral arrangement. Now switch to the Ellipse tool